Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an online store using Wix AI. If you want to start selling products online but don't want to deal with complicated setup, Wix AI makes the process much easier. It can generate a complete online store for you, including design, structure, and basic pages. Whether you're selling physical products, digital items, or services, you can build and launch your store in just a few steps. To begin, open your browser and go to Wix. Log into your account, or create one if you don't already have it. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on Create with AI. Wix will then ask you what type of website you want to build. Click on Chat with AI to start that process. At this point, Wix AI will guide you through a setup process. It will ask you a few questions about your business, such as what you're selling, your store name, the type of products, physical, digital, or services, and your preferred design style. Once you're done with answering the questions and want to proceed, click on End Chat and continue. Based on your answers, Wix AI will automatically generate a complete website for your store. This includes a home page, product pages, a store section, contact and about pages. After the AI finishes building your site, you'll be taken into the editor where you can review and customize everything. In case you want to regenerate or tweak the design, you can select those options. If not, click on Continue with this design. You'll have an option to connect a domain if you have one, but if not, you can skip this process for later and click on Continue to the editor. On the editor, you can double check if your online store is added. To do that, click on Add Apps. Then on the search bar, type Online Store and look out for the Wix Store section. As you can see, it's already installed and running. Now it's time to add your products. So we'll go to our dashboard by click on the Wix logo on the top left corner and selecting it. Inside the dashboard, go to the Catalog section. This is where all your items will be managed. As you can see, these are where all your current products are managed. Now click Add New Product. Wix then will allow you to choose between different product types such as physical or digital. For each product, you'll need to enter important details including product name, description, price, images, and those. Under the description section, click on Generate AI Text to use the Wix AI. Insert the business type and what would you like the customers to know, then click on Create Text at the bottom. It will generate different answers. Click on Use Text to select any of the options provided. As you can see, we use the AI Text Creator for our description box. Once your products are added, click on Save. Next, you'll need to set up your payment methods so customers can actually purchase your products. Go to the Getting Paid section found at the left bar. This is where you connect payment providers. Now click on Payment Method. Wix supports several payment options, including online payment gateways or manual payments. We'll select PayPal as an example and click on Connect. Follow the setup instructions to connect your preferred payment method. This may involve entering business details and verifying your account. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button. Your online store is now live and ready to accept orders. Using Wix with AI significantly simplifies the process of launching an e-commerce business, allowing you to focus more on selling and less on technical setup. To summarize, creating an online store with Wix AI involves generating your site through the AI setup, adding your products, configuring payment methods, and publishing your website. Once everything is set up, your store is ready to accept customers and start generating sales. And that's how to create an online store with Wix AI. By following the setup process, adding your products, and enabling payments, you can launch a fully functional e-commerce store in just a short time. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.